Today on 21st Century Television, join us as we explore innovative technologies, cutting-edge solutions, and timely discussions from leaders across the globe. This is 21st Century Television.
For many businesses and professionals in today's hyperactive legal environment, it's not a question of if they'll be sued, but when. Well, despite this unfortunate reality, many just don't have the legal protection they need. Here today to discuss this important topic and how his company, Legally Mine, is striving to solve it, we have Dan McNeff, CEO of Legally Mine. Welcome, Dan.
Thank you very much. It's so great to be here, Jackie, and I look forward to answering your questions.
In today's litigious society, Dan, what are the most challenging aspects for businesses and professionals who are seeking to protect themselves?
The biggest challenge we find is just finding the right person who knows how to actually protect their assets. There are very few asset protection attorneys in America, and most people just simply go with what they think is right, but it may not be so.
So tell us a little more about Legally Mine and how you help clients achieve those goals.
We do it by matching the right entity to their asset. And you need to make sure that the entity they use has the right language to make sure that it will protect your assets when push comes to shove. The worst thing in the world would be to think, oh, well, I've got my assets protected, until you get to court and discover that a judge has the right to use your entity against you as opposed to protecting you, which is what you did it for in the first place.
Oh, my.
Legally Mine is an asset protection company that deals primarily with doctors and dentists nationwide. We do deal with the W-2 employee as well, but mostly focusing on the business owner in the medical profession.
The reason to use Legally Mine over a specialized attorney is primarily going to be cost. If you go to a specialized attorney, you're going to be paying for specialized rates. But here at Legally Mine, we charge a flat fee. It doesn't matter if you're a millionaire or you're pulling in $50,000 a year or less.
We've gone around and spoke with these different doctors. It's amazing to us how exposed they truly are. It's really unbelievable, and the lawyers are having a heyday with this.
Asset protection is really helping yourself to become invulnerable to lawsuits. Now, there's nothing that can ever stop somebody from filing a lawsuit against you, but what it does do is help it so that even if it does go to court, they're not able to obtain the assets that you have, even in the event of an unfavorable judgment on your part.
So, Dan, your best advice to someone who's considering what type of entity to form to try to protect their assets, your advice to them in general is?
Get educated first. That's actually the most unique thing that we do. Every single client we have has been through a great educational process. And if we have somebody who has not yet gone through it, we do webinars virtually every day of the week where people can speak to a live expert and get their questions answered and go through the whole educational process before they make a decision.
Well, Dan, thanks for sharing the vital principles of legal protection with us that you and your team at Legally Mine have prepared. It's fascinating.
Well, thank you for having me. It's been a great experience, and wow, fun. Thanks.